How can you earn passive income through Huobi Earn? Huobi Earn is an investment product that enables users to manage their digital assets. Instead of simply holding assets, users can deposit portions of their holdings into flexible deposits or fixed deposits to generate an annual percentage yield. For those who are serious about their investments, Huobi Earnings has an auto deposit option, so you'll never miss a chance to make the most of flexible deposits. Though there are many community incentives and rewards programs held on Huobi Earn, many investors still do not know much about our product. This tutorial will teach you how to use Huobi Earn. Step 1. Register and log in to your personal account on Huobi official website or Huobi app. Step 2. Complete KYC verification. Step 3. Click Huobi Earn under the Finance tab. After entering the Huobi Earn page, you will see 4 types of products: featured, flexible, fixed, and first timer. Featured deposits only offers assets during specific time periods, with limited amounts available. Flexible deposits, as the name suggests, gives users the flexibility to transfer their balances into daily APY deposit instruments, without a lock-in period. Fixed deposits, on the other hand, have a lock-in period and can only be redeemed at the end of the designated period. However, the APY can potentially be much higher. First Timer is a new product that was launched in August of this year. New users of Huobi Earn can have the opportunity to enjoy APYs of up to 50% in the first 7 days of her first deposit. The below tutorial will explain how to use flexible deposits and fixed deposits in detail. Flexible deposits. 1. Click Flexible and find an asset that you are interested in, take BTC as an example. 2. Enter the amount that you would like to deposit, and check. And then click I have read and agree to the Huobi Earn contract after you read the details. 3. If you enable the auto transfer feature for an asset, the system will transfer your available balance to the flexible deposit account of that particular asset every day at 10 o'clock UTC. Fixed deposits. 1. Click Fixed and find an asset that you are interested in, take USDC as an example. 2. Choose the number of days and enter the amount that you would like to deposit. 3. Check I have read and agree to the Huobi Earn contract after you read the details. 4. You can also enable the auto transfer function, after which all your principal and interest under this asset will be transferred to your flexible deposit account of that particular asset upon maturity. How can you review the orders you set? Just click Orders on the navigation bar and choose Huobi Earn Orders to enter the order review page. There are also subscription, withdrawal, and earnings pages for you to select. How to redeem your assets. Flexible deposits. Click Balances to enter the Huobi Earn account. Select an asset that you'd like to redeem and enter the amount. Then check I have read and agreed to the Huobi Earn policy to complete the redemption. Please note that every day, the period between 16:00 second, 17:00 second UTC is our clearance and maintenance time, during which redemptions are not allowed. Fixed deposits. All of the principal and interest you've deposited will be transferred to your corresponding exchange account upon maturity, if you have enabled the auto transfer button at the time of your deposit. The principal and interest will be transferred to your flexible deposit account of the same asset. Now it's time for you to have a try. Log in to Huobi official website or Huobi mobile app to begin your Huobi Earn trading.